Day 5 of Vlogmas, yes. And I came home to check the mail, and inside the mail was this package. It is from Cori Spieker, the Reset Girl, and I think she calls her brand the First Love Club now, but used to be the Reset Girl, and I love her style, and I miss being able to get her physical products. So anytime they open up their sticker truck, I try to get something. And it just so happened that I kind of missed the email, but then somehow I think I was on YouTube and I saw that she did a grab box, if you will. I think there was a larger one. I missed that one and I got the small one. So we are going to open that for day 5 of Vlogmas. I've already cracked it open a little bit, but I'm opening it all the way for the first time with you guys. So let's see what is in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of yummy stickers. Okay, let me just grab everything out and then slide this away. Oh, yes. So we have got the Reset Girl. See, love it. Hey, Cori. The Faithful Girl stickers. Oh my goodness, I love this. 21 pieces of badge stickers. I can use this in my faith journaling. I love, 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 love. Another Faithful Girl set. This is 144 pieces, and I love her style. It's like that vintage retro style with the writing in the background, and I love this. So I love that she did this. This is 144 pieces. Also the Faithful Girl collection. I love the arrows. I used to use those all the time. So thankful to have those. Oh, let's see what's on the back here too. Oh, there's nothing back there. Okay. Here's another Faithful Girl set. 105 pieces. Beautiful. Just absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait. This one is, what is this? Cheerleader stickers. Goal Squad. I love that. Love the diversity there too. And these two are the same set. So that's nice. Love that. Love, love, love. Yes. And we've got stamps here. I love this faith sticker. That is gorgeous. I love the big numbers. I mean, I love it all, but I love the big numbers. I definitely am going to use those in this as well. Love that. So this is the acrylic stamp set here. I can't wait to use this. Oh, more Faithful Girl. I love it. Oh my goodness. This makes me so happy. This is 50 pieces and this is ephemera. Faith-based ephemera. Love, love, love. I can't wait to use this, guys. And I always love the tabs. What else have we got? What else have we got in here? And I want to say that this small one, the small grab bag was, I believe it was under $50 for sure. I'm pretty sure it was, under $50. Tabs. I love tabs. I just told you guys those. I should, I'll share my notebook collection and how I do some of my notebooks as a part of Vlogmas as well on one of the days. And then you'll see, because I use tabs to, and all throughout my notebooks. And these are so pretty, so pretty. So this is the Adorned collection and this is the Meaningful collection. I cannot wait to get into, look at that gold foil. I cannot wait to get into these. This is so I'm so glad she did this. I hate that I missed out on the big box. This is the Reset Girl Carpe Diem roller stamp. What does it say? Task, reminder, sweet girl. It's got the glasses, the pencil, and the little divider line. List it, get it, girl. Goals, goals, goals. Hey, girl. Hey, gorgeous. Plan like a boss. I love it. And I bought up this Carpe Diem line when it came out. And then I think I was a little bit late on the line. And then it was selling out. So I did get it. And then I remember it was one Planner Con. and Carpe Diem came and they sponsored it, and they had a whole bunch of it that they didn't want to take back. So they were like giving it out. And because I was local at the time, because PlannerCon was in San Francisco, I grabbed a whole bunch of it and I used it. And I don't have that much left, but it was such a beautiful line, and I enjoyed that line. So it's really nice to have something else. And then we've got the Reset Girl washi tape, the little ruler washi tape, and it's in pink. You guys know that's my color, so that's great. Oh, another stamp set. It's the Camp Reset set, so definitely can see myself using this journal one in the me time. So this is great. Another but a place to store all of this in, because I don't have much of my storage, so my craft supplies are everywhere. So this would be nice. I'm going to put all of this in here. And then this is a stamp. What is this stamp? Let's see. Oh, is this just ink? Okay, fluid chalking. Yeah, I think this is just ink. So I'll test that out as well. And then, oh, there's a surprise inside. So these didn't come as a part of the grab bag. I actually ordered these separate, but I love the honeys. Like, I was obsessed with the honeys. If you like go back to years ago in my feed, my Instagram feed, you'll see a lot of this style. And so I loved this. So I got this little joyful journal decal that I'm going to put on one of my journals. And then I think there's like 2 sheets of the honeys in here, but I love. So I love to have my stickers printed out for me. I don't necessarily love like having to print them myself. So every time that they offer them printed, I like to try to get something. Okay, and then there is a surprise inside. So let's see what the surprise is. Woo-hoo. Oh, I love this. This is a thank you from Cori, and I'll probably scrapbook this. This is so cute. And oh, yes. I love this. First Love Club. I love this style, like all the arrows and stuff. So definitely will use that in my journaling. I used to use these in my faith journal. So I'll probably do that here. She clothes herself with strength and dignity. Love that. Proverbs 31:25. Yep. So I'll use those all in my faith journal. What have we got here? Yes, money. Okay, honey. First love. I love this. Love this. This could go all in my faithful journaling. Join us for Camp Joyful. Love this. And I snuck off to Camp Joyful 2022. Oh, these are like door hangers, but they're so pretty. And I'll probably just scrapbook these. So that is all. I cannot wait. You guys, I absolutely am so excited for all of this stuff that you've seen, because I cannot wait to play with my honeys. And I'm going to do I've definitely got to do a craft with me or journal with me thing, so you guys can see how obsessed I am and how I use these. Oh, and especially these. Oh my, I'm obsessed with the tabs for sure. And all the stickers. Like, this is very much my style. A little vintage, a lot of pink. Yes, I cannot wait. Well, thank you guys for spending time with me and unboxing this package. I think you can tell I am super excited to be playing with stickers and crafting and journaling. It makes me happy. So I hope that this brought you a little bit of joy as well. I will try to remember to link below if she has any more left. But if not, just make sure that you are paying attention, get on her newsletter list so that you can also get these pretty little stickers when she offers them again. And tabs and honeys and stamps and all kind of things. Get all the things and enjoy life. Bye. Love you guys.